Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to get your HTML verification file from Google Search Console. As you see, in my case, my website is already added to Google Search Console. And if, let's say, for whatever reason I want to get the HTML file verification, the verification HTML file again, simply go to settings. Where is settings? This is it. Click on it, and next to ownership verification, click on it. And as you see here, I have my website is verified using HTML tag. And to get my HTML verification file, simply click on it and click again on this button, and it will be downloaded to my computer. And this is how to get your HTML verification file from Google Search Console. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.